Welcome back in this lecture. So in this lecture, we will download Edit Plus software and we will configure Edit Plus software. So how to download Edit Plus software? So let's go in the Google and simply you can go here and type on Edit Plus software. Download Edit Plus software. Download, download Edit Plus, Edit Plus software. So here just we can go there and click on this first link, and what you have to do, you can see here we having a download for Edit Plus for 64-bit and 32-bit, right? So you have to see in your which system you have. If you have a 32-bit, you have to download for 32-bit. If you have a 64-bit, you have to download for 64-bit. So my system having the 64-bit, just click on the first link. After clicking on this first link, you can see it is going to download it, right? So I have already this, so I'm going to cancel this. So after downloading this software, you have to do installation, right? So just go in this file location and press click and next. After uh, you know installation of this Edit Plus software, then you can go on your system. We can go in the system. In desktop, we can see here, one second. So you can see here we having this Edit Plus software, right? So it is downloaded. Yeah, this pop-up will come sometime. So what you can do, just drag this pop-up. Okay, you can drag this pop-up, that's it. Then after that, what you can just, I'm going to close this, all this. I want to show you the in the fresh mode. So what you can do, after downloading this, you will get it this icon, this Edit Plus icon. Just go and click on this. So you will get this pop-up here. Just go and drag this. So here you can see the Edit Plus software is downloaded. Here after downloading the Edit Plus software, you have to do some configuration with your JDK. So how to do the configuration? Just go in the tools. In tools we have a preferences. Go in the preferences, we having the tools. Okay, you can go in the user tools. After that you can see be having the group. Click on this group. So default value you can give the group one, no problem at all. Then after that, what you have to do, just I'm going to make the you know shortcut for configuration for compilation and execution. So this group is already having the default name. After that, click on this add, go to the program. You can get it this. So here you can write anything. So I'm writing the compile. Okay, the compile. After that, this is your command. Just click on this triple dot. After clicking on this triple dot, go in the C drive. In C drive we have a program files. In program files we have a JDK. Inside this JDK you can go in the bin and you have to select this Java C. So in already I have selected in this, you can see you will get this location. After getting this location, you have to click in this. What you have to do, you have to select this file path. So I already selected this file path. After that, what you have to do, you have to click here and you have to select file directly and click on apply and click on OK. After that, again you can go in the add tools. Click on this program. Click on this program. You can write here execute. You can write any name or you can write run Java. And what you have to do, you can click on the triple dot. Then after that you can go in the C drive. In C drive we have a program file. Inside this program file we have a Java. Inside this JDK is bin and you have to select this Java and click on open and click on this. Then after that, what we have to do, it will come this path here. After that, go here and click here file and name without extension. And after that, what you have to do, sorry, after that what you have to do, again you can go in the initial directory, go here and select file directory. Then you will get this. So I already have this, so I'm not going to select one more time. So what you have to do, after that you have to apply and click OK. Then your it is configure your Java path here. What you have to do next, we have to check your configuration is correct or not. What I can do, I can go and we will create one file that is called, I will create, you can see new, and you can create a Java. So I'm going to create test file, and I'm going to save this in any location. You can create any location, you can save it. So I'm going to create one folder here in desktop. I'm going to create one folder and just writing Java demo. I'm going to create here and I'm going to save here. So you have to how to save this Java file, class name and this test, both are same, and you have to select this extension. Which extension you have? We having the Java extension, right? So now you can click on save. If you will press Control 1, if you will press Control 1, it will compile. Okay, it will press, if you will press Control 1, it will compile. If you will press Control 2, it will execute. So it is printing hello world Java. So just I am doing the testing, our JDK or edit plus is working fine or not. If you having the any doubt, you can ping me. Okay, thank you for this lecture. We will meet you in the next lecture.